dusty roads and a warm summer breeze. Grandpa's old hat worn down at the knees. Fishing lines, tangled laughter in the trees. These simple times bring me to my knees. Morning light peeking through the pines. Coffee on the porch as the rooster whines. Cows in the pasture and fresh homemade chimes. These simple moments, they're the sweetest kind. Simple times where the days run slow. Hearts at peace in the soft night glow. Holding on to the dreams we sow. In these simple times, it's